Hi, scholars. We're going to talk about division with fractions. So let's start with something you already know how to do, right? Okay, so let's say we have 2 cups of something like blue Kool-Aid, for example. You have 2 cups of something and you want to divide it among 2 friends. This is a problem you already know and you've probably known how to do for a very long time. So if we take 2 and we divide it by 2, we know that our answer is going to be 1. You know that if you take 2 cups of a liquid and you divide it into 2 different measuring cups, right? That you're going to end up with 2 cups of the liquid, right? 2 divided by 2 is going to equal 1. But each one of those cups each one of those 2 cups, contains 1 cup of liquid, right? So let's think about this division problem that you already know how to do as a problem with fractions, okay? I can write the whole number 2 as a fraction, right? What would my denominator here be? 2 divided by 1 is still equal to 2, right? I call it instafraction. We can make any whole number a fraction just by throwing a denominator of 1 underneath it, right? So let's think of this division problem, though, as multiplication. Multiplication and division are related because they're inverse operations, right? So 2 divided by 1 is if we're dividing this up into 2 parts, it's the same thing as multiplying by 1/2, right? Dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. I'm going to say that again because it's really important. Dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. Now when we multiply, 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. And that's everything you need to know about how to divide with a fraction.